What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today I'm inside my car and I want to show you something that completely changes what your factory CarPlay screen can do. This is the ATOTO CB7 Pro. Now this little box right here is amazing. Everything is right here on the screen. Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, all your favorite apps.
Iced tea, and I wanted my mornings back, so I decided to...
And no, this is not just another CarPlay or Android Auto adapter. Right now, this is standard CarPlay. You've got navigation, music, calls, and that's about it. Now, let me switch over to the CB7 Pro. And this is a full Android desktop running directly on my factory screen. No phone mirroring, no weird hacks. It feels like having a tablet built straight into the car. I can open YouTube, Netflix, or Disney Plus directly on the screen.
My wife loves to work in
I'm
the
not
garden,
touching
but
my
she
phone at
keeps
all.
losing her tools, and she'll say, "Bob, where's my..."
I'm browsing apps just like I would on an Android device. This is huge for road trips, waiting in the car, or traveling with the kids. The factory screen finally becomes real entertainment, not just navigation. And what's cool is I could still run navigation on my front screen, while passengers can watch video on the rear seat using the HDMI output. You can hook up things like PS5 and Xbox and play games and watch movies in very high definition. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite features, DriveChat AI. Open Netflix app, please. This is not a gimmick. While driving, I can just talk naturally. I can say things like, "What's the weather like in the mountains today?" Or, "Find me the nearest rest stop." "What's traffic looking like ahead?" And the responses are conversational. Can you tell me what the weather's like in the mountains today?
Today in the mountains, the weather is mostly overcast with some periods of light rain. The temperature ranges from a minimum of 10.4, 50.72, to a maximum of 17.6, 63.68. Humidity is fairly high, reaching up to 91% during rainy periods, and you can expect occasional rain throughout the day. It's best to dress in layers and bring a rain jacket if you plan to be outdoors.
It doesn't feel like you're fighting a voice assistant. It actually feels helpful, especially on long drives when you want information without tapping the screen. Okay, now here's something you usually don't see in factory systems. This is called Cloth Hub, and this turns your car screen into a control center. I've got some LED lighting hooked up here. It's really raining outside, so I got everything right inside and I'm going to show you it all. From the screen, I can turn the lights on, change the colors, control the accessories without any extra remotes. I have LED lighting under the seats, and I also have the LED sign. You can change it from the app. So instead of juggling different apps or devices, everything lives right here under one car screen. This is especially cool for camping, night driving, or just setting the vibe. And check this out, here's something fun. I could just say to the CB7 Pro AI, "Good morning, turn on my LED sign." See that? The AI is talking to the AI, and even the car's lights wake up with me. Talk to it. You could say, "Wake up, new driver," whatever you want to it, and it will display your message. It has different voice commands using AI. It's really neat. It has all different features, and it's easily controlled right through the app. The LED lighting strips are really neat as well. Everything is programmed right through the app, so you could change the color, daytime, nighttime mode, auto mode. You can change the color to fit your mood. Now, let's talk about safety. The CB7 Pro also supports DVR recording. I've got a camera hooked up, and I can view live footage directly on the screen. So if something happens on the road, you can just review the footage instantly. And even better, you can access recordings remotely from your phone. So even when you're not by your vehicle, you still have visibility and peace of mind. Another big win here is OTA updates. This is a crowdfunding project, so it's not a one-and-done gadget. ATOTO pushes updates that improve performance, add features, and enhance the AI. That means the system actually gets better over time. You're not stuck with outdated software a year from now. And I want to be clear, the CB7 Pro isn't trying to replace safe driving. This is about making your car smarter, more useful, and more enjoyable when you're parked, traveling, or on long trips. For families, this is huge. For commuters, this is huge. For anyone who feels like their factory screen is underused, this is a serious upgrade. I'll put in the campaign link right at the top of the description. If you want to learn more, check it out, read the details, and see if it makes sense for your setup. Now, it comes with everything you need. The packaging is very nice. It comes with the camera itself, which is easily plugged into the main unit. The main unit comes nicely packaged. Very sharp, sleek looking, modern. Now I also have the LED light kit, so it's simply plugged in. And this is the LED light strip I have. Overall, the CB7 Pro is a fantastic unit to have for any vehicle. It's simply plug and play. It gives you access to Netflix, YouTube, TikTok. The app control is really fantastic, especially the AI voice commands. It really makes it easy, especially when I'm driving. And like I said, everything is plug and play. That's the best part.